very excited, and I really excited because meeting lots of doctor and knowing from them, and they have appreciated Velocity Genetics, and that is something which really excite me, resonate with all the people who are in my team, and I'm very happy.
Well, friends, today we are going to have a different kind of a panel discussion. Okay. I want each one of you to participate. So don't start unmuting yourself. Please put in your questions, your practical difficulties, your queries. You might have something which really is pressing on your mind with relevance to our genomic revolution, with relevance to what we do, with relevance to what is it we want to see, or we want to clear something which is so much troubling us. So please put your questions in the chat. Today is your day. We are going to take as many questions as possible. So please keep typing. We will take one by one each question. And let me go back to Stan sir and ask him, sir, what is it that is exciting and you wish to share today?
Good evening, and thank you so much, Dr. Usha. I might have some network issue, and if there is a little break, please let me know. I'm on a mobile data on my laptop right now. Am I clearly audible right now?
Very clear.
Okay. Okay,
Yes,
great.
sir.
Yeah. So what's very exciting? Well, as you rightly said, you mentioned that we are actually bringing in some kind of a new technology to people that people find it, oh, it cannot happen like that. ऐसा नहीं होता है. Okay, we are all used to blood-based diagnosis, and we know age-old tradition of we getting disease first, then we looking at the symptoms and managing at our own. And if it goes a little out of control, we see a medical healthcare practitioner, and we are dependent to a large extent on prescriptive medicine. कि डॉक्टर ने लिख के दे दिया तो हम लोग करेंगे. We definitely do. I will still continue to do that. But having said that, I think here is a technology that's available which says, do not wait for the diseases to come. You probably can avoid them, provided you understand the basic physiology and anatomy of the human body, and make food as your medicine, not medicine as your food. So based on this principle, we have built this organization for the last 5 years, and now with Velocity Booster, we are trying to actually educate people with this disruptive technology. When I say disruptive technology, it's very difficult to accept because we are all having our preconceived notion. We have the stock concepts. तो उस दौरान में अगर हम लोग एक नई चीज बताते हैं तो सबसे पहले आता है डाउट. How can we believe you? What is the authenticity? Which government organization has endorsed you? And these kind of questions do follow. And initially, these are the questions that we were actually, faced with. But then comes the corona virus and subsequent lockdown, the same, very tough ordeal that people have gone through to save their own life. A lot of people have been very, very fortunate that they spent their money and then they still managed to get their health back. But बहुत सारे ऐसे लोग हैं, उन्होंने लाखों में खर्चे किए हैं. In spite of that, they had to lose their life because ignorance is one of the major things, तो ignorance की वजह से कि हमारी immunity का क्या अहमियत है, उसके बारे में हमको ज्यादा ध्यान नहीं है. अगर ध्यान है भी, theoretically knowledge है, तो भी, we feel that, okay, we'll look into, हिंदी में एक रैप सॉन्ग आया था, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, एंड अपना टाइम आएगा. तो people are actually waiting for कि अपना टाइम आ जाने तो बाद में देखा जाएगा. So many times that that time may be a little too late for us to either treat or save our own life. So bottom line is, we are not into curative approach. We are neither into preventive approach. We are far ahead of what's happening contemporarily, and we are into predictive healthcare. So predictive healthcare basically tells you two things: the root cause of your existing conditions, health conditions, or the way you are, why you are the way you are. If you are bored, if you're obese, if you are lethargic, if you are negative, if you are suspicious, all these physical, emotional, and psychological traits is what we can assess through a DNA sequencing. And at the same time, we can also understand from a genetic perspective as to what are the future health challenges that we may be facing based on the mutation that we have. So it's an exciting field. And, we have heard a lot of pharma giants, diagnostic majors talking, saying that, oh, preventive healthcare is now, growing because people are now aware. We are saying just not just preventive, but then we are talking about predictive. So real health conscious people will pay heed to this disruptive technology, and they will try to be ahead of times of all the others. So that's very exciting. That's what we're sharing. We don't care about the numbers that we have. We've been doing this for over 3 years now. And especially during lockdown, we have done probably hundreds of webinars on with genetics. It will continue in different shape, size, form, but our mission will continue. 2025 is what our next step is.
Well, Rohit, if I can get back to you, after explaining everything about what we do to somebody, you also might have got those questions. इसमें हमें मिलेगा क्या? So what's an ideal answer for that? क्या मिलता है इसमें?
सबसे बड़ी बात जो मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि जब मैं लोगों से बात करता हूँ ना, तो मैं उनसे 3 चीजें पूछता हूँ। जो सबसे पहला इंपॉर्टेंट क्या रहता है कि हम उनसे बात करते हैं कि भाई आप पैसे की पावर से कुछ भी चेंज कर सकते हो, और आपकी अगर इच्छा शक्ति है, यू कैन चेंज एवरीथिंग, बट देयर इज वन थिंग विच यू कैन नॉट चेंज, राइट? सो दैट इज समथिंग विच एवरीवन हैज अ डिफरेंट आंसर, बट आई नॉर्मली से यू कैन नॉट चेंज योर बायोलॉजिकल पेरेंट्स. सो दैट इज द फर्स्ट थिंग विच अ पर्सन इज बेसिकली हिट, जो मैं वहां पे उनको बताता हूँ कि यू कैन नॉट चेंज योर पेरेंट्स, एंड दैट इज व्हाई यू हैव टू हैव योर ऑपरेटिंग मैनुअल. सो ये जो क्वेश्चन आता है, ये जब माइंड में आता है, दे आर इन ए लिसनिंग मोड. सो उनके जो क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, जो समटाइम इलॉजिकल भी हो सकते हैं, बट आई ब्रिंग देम टू अ लॉजिकल वे ऑफ थिंकिंग, एंड देन दे स्टार्टेड थिंकिंग अबाउट कि मैं उनसे ये बात करता हूँ कि भाई आपको पेरेंट्स से या ग्रैंड पेरेंट्स से सिर्फ प्रॉपर्टीज और जायदाद जमीन नहीं मिलती, गाड़ी घोड़े नहीं मिलते, आपको बहुत सारी ऐसी बीमारियां भी मिलती हैं. देन दैट शुड बी बेसिकली, अगर आपको पता हो, सो यू कैन बेसिकली टेक केयर ऑफ देम आल्सो. सो कहते हैं हाउ इट इज पॉसिबल. मैंने कहा अब आप सपोज करिए आई हैव अ मोबाइल, अगर आपके पास एक नया मोबाइल आ जाए या कोई आप नया लैपटॉप ले ले या टीवी ले ले, तो आप सबसे पहले क्या करते हैं? ऑपरेटिंग मैनुअल देखते हैं. अगर गाड़ी खराब हो जाए और स्टार्ट नहीं हो रही, बट यू आर गोइंग टू डू, आप कहते हैं कि गाड़ी में से मैनुअल निकालो, आई डोंट नो हाउ टू ऑपरेट. तो इसीलिए अगर हम देखें, हमारा शरीर जो है भगवान ने सबसे जटिल मशीन बनाई है, राइट? हमारी कोई ऑपरेटिंग मैनुअल नहीं है. सो आई एम बेसिकली एक्सप्लेनिंग इन अ वेरी लेमन लैंग्वेज, बिकॉज मॉलिक्यूलर, आई हैव लर्न मॉलिक्यूलर जेनेटिक्स, बट वो किसी को समझ में नहीं आएगा. जैसे अभी वीडियो इंट्रोडक्शन में चल रहा था, इट इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर अ पर्सन टू अंडरस्टैंड कि फॉस्फोरस क्या है, हाइड्रोजन क्या है, और ये सारी चीजें क्या है. सो बेसिकली मैं उनको एक बहुत ही लेमन भाषा में ये बताता हूँ कि भाई अगर आपको हर मशीन के लिए ऑपरेटिंग मैनुअल चाहिए, सो व्हाट अबाउट you as a machine, so is there any operating manual for you? So वहां से बात, जब वो क्वेश्चंस जो उनके, क्योंकि देयर आर एंडलेस क्वेश्चन, तो मैं उनके क्वेश्चंस ही खत्म कर देता हूँ, एंड उनको उस पे आ जाता है कि यार ये तो बहुत ही अमेजिंग, मतलब यू वोंट बिलीव डॉक्टर उषा, आई मेट मोर देन 200 डॉक्टर, आयुर्वेदिक डॉक्टर, एंड सेम रिपीटेड क्वेश्चन मैंने उनसे पूछा, एंड दे आर स्टंट, यार ये बात तो मैंने कभी हमने सोची भी नहीं. एंड दैट इज द रीजन क्वेश्चंस जो है वो खत्म हो जाते हैं, एंड दे आर इन ए लिसनिंग मोड, एंड दे अंडरस्टैंड व्हाट वी आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. सो क्वेश्चंस बहुत सारे होते हैं, लेकिन मेरे साथ क्वेश्चंस नहीं आते हैं नॉर्मली, क्योंकि मैं क्वेश्चन ही ऐसा पूछता हूँ कि सामने वाला जो है आंसर मांगता ही नहीं है, और वो मेरी बात को बहुत ध्यान से सुनता है. क्योंकि वहां पे कहते हैं ना कि आप पूरी जिंदगी में सब कुछ बदल सकते, पेरेंट्स नहीं बदल सकते, एंड वी आर बेसिकली शेयर कि हम बायो इंफॉर्मेशन जो है हमारे जो क्रोमोसोम में, हमारे डीएनए में, एवरी सेल में, हम जब सेलुलर की बात करते हैं, तो वहां की जो इंफॉर्मेशन है वो आज हमें जरूरत है. आज हमें मेडिसिन के साथ साथ बायोटेक यानी कि टेक्नोलॉजी, मेडटेक की जरूरत है. आज मेडिकल सिर्फ अकेला काम नहीं कर सकता, वो हमने कोविड में देखा. आज टेक्नोलॉजी को इस्तेमाल करना है, बायोटेक. सो वी हैव टू यूज द कॉम्बिनेशन ऑफ बोथ देम, एंड आई शेयर द न्यू मॉडल और न्यू फ्रेमवर्क, दैट इज द P4 model of medicine, which is basically proactive, personalized, preventive and predictive healthcare. So this is something which is very very important for them. So वो जब पूछते हैं कि ये चीजें कैसे करना है, then I share there are the SOP. So वो SOP समझने के बाद कहते it is very simple. मैंने कहा yes, because operating manual is something which they can understand, and sometimes genetics और DNA नहीं भी समझ में आता, but they understand that. So that is way I start my conversation, and I basically land up with no question.
बढ़िया
और मुझको
बढ़िया। तो इसमें हमको हमारा ऑपरेटिंग मैनुअल मिल जाता है, इसमें
बिल्कुल
हमको हमारी अंदरूनी जानकारी मिल जाती है।
राइट।
एंड यस, इफ आई कैन टेल यू, देयर आर क्वेश्चंस इन द चैट, आई विल टेक इट वन बाय वन। ये टेस्ट होता कहाँ है? तो सिंपल, ये टेस्ट आपके घर में होता है। आपको केवल इसका एक वन टाइम चार्ज फॉर अ 1 ईयर प्रोग्राम देना होता है। आपको एक कनाडा से किट आती है जिसमें एक वेरी स्पेशल प्रिजर्वेटिव होता है। सैंपल ऑफ चॉइस जो हम लेते हैं इज सलाइवा, बिकॉज ये हम एक दिन के बच्चे का भी जमा कर सकते हैं। एंड इसमें कोई भी आपको सुई चुभोना या कुछ तकलीफ से गुजरना नहीं होता है। थूकना, एज आवर एग्जीक्यूटिव डायरेक्टर सेज, इज सो इजी, सो सिंपल। ठीक है, तो कोई भी 2 सीसी थूक दे सकता है। उसमें ये उनको दिखाया जाता है थ्रू अ वीडियो, और द पर्सन हुएवर हैज इन्फॉर्म्ड यू अबाउट दिस टेस्ट एंड द टेक्नोलॉजी, वो आपकी मदद करेंगे आपका सैंपल कलेक्ट करने के लिए। देन यू जस्ट फिल अ स्मॉल कार्ड अबाउट योर हेल्थ गोल्स और हेल्थ चैलेंजेस, send the sample to either our Bombay office or to our Pune headquarter, and अगले 21 दिनों में आपका रिपोर्ट आता है जो केवल 250 पेज का होता है। एंड जैसे आपको कोई भी मेडिकल रिपोर्ट मिलने के बाद हमें उसे स्पेशलिस्ट को दिखाना है, तो हमारे ऑफिस से स्पेशलिस्ट का कॉल आ जाएगा, and specialist will take your time and give you her time. We have specialist nutrition genetic counselors who have counseled individually more than 2.5 to 3,000 patients in the last, I will not say patients, sorry, my mistake, individuals in the last 4 years, and they have been able to touch lives, change lives. Yes, Mr. Babu, I'm trying to explain it in English, hope that helps. So you can connect with the person who has informed you about this test. They will give you a good package cost if you want to do it individually. If you want to do it for a family, you do it at the comfort of your home. You're guided. Once you receive a report, then you are again guided, taking into consideration your genetics, your external factors, which we call as epigenetics, your lifestyle, your need of your body, whatever is deficiencies or excesses, how to manage them with your simple food, water, environment, lifestyle, exercise, and your sleep patterns. That is how simple the solutions are today to this high-end technology. And taking into consideration all that, you will also be made available that nutrition genetic counselor for about a year, where you can always call back if you have any further queries or concerns and take their help. And the best part is, free of cost for the next 6 years, your sample will be preserved in a lab, because this technology is very dynamic. Once you get this done today, I remember I did my sample 4 years back, and that time we used to test only 33 genes. Today we test about 210 genes, and we try to cover as much holistically our body as possible. So your sample will be preserved in the gene banking system free of cost for next 6 years, so that next time you have any issue or any concerns, or we upgrade our test significantly, you can always get back to us. Tell them my sample is lying with you, please tell me the difference in the lab charges, and then you get the whole program all over again, just so that you can live better and better tomorrow. So Mr. Babu, please get in touch with the person who has invited you. They will personally hold and help you. Well,
I just want to,
yes, yes,
Dr.
sir.
Usha, I
Yes,
just want
sir.
to come in here. Most of our people who are present here are our IBOs. So I want to touch upon this. Mr. Babu, good evening to you, and thank you for asking nice questions, very relevant questions about where the test is done. The saliva sample collection is done at home or anywhere. It's a simple test, but the sample is processed in a lab in Pune of Maharashtra. So that's where the processing happens. Now, unlike, we ask this question based on what we already know. What we know is we go to a hospital, there's a prescription done saying, okay, you need to do this test. So we go to a lab, the blood is collected, or maybe an X-ray done, or MRI, CT scan done, and then we collect it from there. Now, that's the blood-based diagnosis. Now,
Stan, sir, you broke up. Stan sir, you're probably disconnected.
Yeah, maybe. So basically, Stancer is sharing the lab is basically responsible to get all the human genome
That-
extraction from the saliva.
Yes,
And he's
sir.
back.
Stan sir is back. Sir, you had broken up in between.
Yeah, sorry. So, so the saliva sample is collected and processed in the lab. So the DNA extraction happens. So that itself takes 2-3 days. And then, of course, you have this raw data that's extracted. And there are different platforms and technologies. So we don't want to get into technology. So just imagine that you are a new person and you want to read a book written by Chetan Bhagat. अब चेतन भगत को आप ये नहीं पूछोगे कि इसका डीटीपी किसने किया, इसका डिजाइनिंग किसने किया, ये प्रिंट किधर किया. It doesn't really matter what is it. It's all written on the website. So the same way, your report also will be carrying all the information. Who is welcoming you with a welcome letter, ये कहाँ process किया है, या यहाँ पे क्या certification से, क्या authentication. It's all there in the report. So to know all that, you need to do your report. There's another simple question that you asked, which is a very common and a relevant question that you asked, is what is the cost? Now, I want you to visualize this, that, I just ask a person, I go to a showroom, okay, and I ask, what is the cost of this car? And in one showroom, he says, okay, it's 6 lakhs. But I said, good. And then I go to another neighboring showroom, and then again I ask, what is the cost of this car? And then saying, that's 50 lakhs. And then you say, oh, that's very expensive. Okay, now it's a, tendency. आप में से बहुत सारे लोग जब भी genetics के बारे में, when you communicate to people tend to ask the cost first. Now, what I want you to understand in anything, forget just this, anything else, is what you need to understand is that what are you buying? Unless and until you know what you're buying, cost is immaterial. Now, if you tell me that you're buying 1 kg of silver and 1 kg of gold at the same price, it doesn't matter. I mean, like, it's a very illogical, relevant question. So, आपको भी बहुत सारे लोगों को, without knowing what the product is, people might go on the price tag and then say, oh, that's expensive, because we are used to a blood-based diagnosis. Now, what a blood-based diagnosis says, gives you that kind of an advantage, and what a genetic sequencing, it's not a test, it's not a DNA test. It's a gene-based or a DNA-based wellness program. So when you say program, it has ingredients. So Dr. Usha already told is that there is a DNA kit where the saliva sample collection is done. Then there is a DNA report. Now, DNA report is not for one test. Now, when we do an RT-PCR test, we are checking for one parameter, whether there is a, coronavirus is there or no. If it's there and in good concentration, of course, there is COVID positive, otherwise it's not. So we are checking for one parameter. So we are doing 210 different parameters, which is a comprehensive test that spans across 18 different panels or different categories: nutrition, diabetes, weight management, cardiac, organ health, fitness, pharmacological, so many other things. It's complete diagnosis of the entire body from a genetic perspective. And then, of course, there is a genetic counseling. When you go to a super specialist for 5 or 10 minutes of consultation, we probably pay what? 1,200, 1,500, 2,000, depending on the profile, seniority, expertise, and the qualification of the person. So here you will have expert nutrigenomic counselors talking to you for 1.5 hours and explaining to you in a very layman language. And we today are doing a lot of counseling throughout the day, and we are getting very good reviews saying that, wow, I think it was really wonderful knowing about me. It's like a mirror. And then we give you the most important thing of this entire program is based on your genetic report and based on your lifestyle. There are so many other parameters like your profession, your age, your medical condition currently, your diet patterns. Are you a vegetarian, non-vegetarian, vegan, or you have the stress levels or your financial condition? Everything we consider and then curate a customized action plan for you, recommendations for you, which we call it as an action plan. So each way you will have your gene-based diet plan, you will have your do's and don'ts and everything. It's like a complete secret formula that's been unveiled to you, or it's like fitting in a GPS into your system. So these are all the values. And now there are 210 tests. So Ideally, you might feel that we have this in Indian mentality, all of us, including me, saying that पैसा वसूल, कि भाई पैसा वसूल मतलब 210 में भी मुझे रिजल्ट चाहिए. It's a bizarre argument. Sometimes people feel, I feel that if you get a solid scientific research based one breakthrough, your price is worth it. There are 210 opportunities for you to understand yourself. Just imagine.
No issues. Rohit, you want to continue from there? I will give you a different question. Actually, sir
No
got
problem.
logged out. He'll come back again. Okay, sir is back, but I think he's still trying to log in. So Rohit, there's a very peculiar question here. I want to begin starting to answer it, but you please continue.
Sure.
I will not take names, but our friend here is asking, is this helpful in slip disc or spinal disc problem? Well, friends, first thing, please don't raise hands. I cannot give you opportunity to ask questions. Please put it in the chat. We will take it from there. And second thing is, we do not treat bimari. Okay. So if you ask me, ये डायरिया के लिए अच्छा है क्या, ये हेडेक के लिए अच्छा है क्या, तो फ्रेंड्स हमें ये बहुत अच्छी तरीके से समझना है कि ये हर चीज के लिए अच्छा है. बिकॉज बॉटम लाइन ऐसा है कि ये हमको दिखाएगा कि जब भगवान ने हमको पैदा किया, उसने हमको बहुत केपेबल बनाया कि हमारा शरीर अपने आप को अपने तरीके से ठीक कर सके. तो इससे ये टेक्नोलॉजी से हम उस कॉन्सेप्ट को भर देते हैं, हम उस कॉन्सेप्ट को स्ट्रॉन्ग करते हैं कि योर बॉडी इज योर बेस्ट डॉक्टर, योर बेस्ट हीलर, एंड फॉर एवरी एलिमेंट दैट यू गो टू द डॉक्टर, 99% of the time your doctor will tell you, this is the medicine I'm starting for you today, please take care of your diet, please go to a dietitian, please get a chart made of what you need to eat. How many of you agree? Yes, how many more? You agree? Your doctor will tell you, go to a dietitian and get a diet chart done. That is so common today. So you are getting to know what is inside you without going to a doctor, by just giving your saliva sample. And you are getting to know how to maintain the best for your body so that it will heal and help. So Rohit, what do you have to add on to which
100%.
disease will this cure?
So basically our mindset is basically reactive in nature. So हमारा जो mind है उसके अंदर हमने basically क्या है कि हम जब कोई problem होती है तो डॉक्टर के पास जाते हैं. तो reactive approach towards health or care is something which we have to basically change. So we have to have a proactive thought process. So proactiveness is knowing ourselves, क्योंकि body के अंदर कोई भी cure और treatment जैसा कोई भी nobody can do. Only the nature can cure us, right? हमारी बॉडी को में हेल्थ सेल्फ हीलिंग पावर है. और हमारा जो डीएनए, जो हमारी बॉडी की संरचना जो मैंने बताया, हमारे पेरेंट्स से हमें जो बायो इंफॉर्मेशन मिलती है वो हर सेल में, हमारे ट्रिलियन सेल्स के अंदर ये इंफॉर्मेशन रहती है. अगर हम बीमारियों पे फोकस करते हैं तो हमारा जो जेनेटिक मेकअप है वो उसी तरीके से उसके एक कह सकते हैं कॉन्शियसनेस होती है, वही इंफॉर्मेशन उसके अंदर स्टोर रहती है. रादर हम अपने आप को रीजनरेशन के बारे में सोचे, बिकॉज दैट इंफॉर्मेशन इज आल्सो स्टोर इन आवर बॉडी, और वो इंफॉर्मेशन हमारी बॉडी के एक ये मैनुअल है. सो आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर यू माय रिपोर्ट. बेसिकली दिस इज अ रिपोर्ट which you can see. It is basically a number of pages. The more than 200 pages are there, and this type of manual everyone has to have, बिकॉज ये एक ऐसी ऑपरेटिंग मैनुअल है कि आपको हर क्वेश्चन का आंसर इसमें मिल जाएगा, और क्या खाना है क्या नहीं खाना, ये अगर पता चल जाए कि खाने में क्या चीज नहीं खानी और क्या चीज जरूर खानी है, तो मुझे नहीं लगता कि हमारे शरीर के ये जो हमारे पूरे बॉडी एक मशीन की तरह है, इसमें कोई भी विकार आ सकता है. बिकॉज गॉड हैज मेड अस सो परफेक्ट, और सारी फंक्शनिंग फिजियोलॉजीज और बहुत ही अमेजिंग फंक्शनैलिटी, हार्मोन्स, इतनी सारी चीजें बनाई हैं जो कि हम सिर्फ टेस्ट करके नहीं पता कर सकते. देयर आर एंडलेस टेस्ट व्हिच अ पर्सन हैज टू गो, कि अगर वो जानना चाहता है. और हर वक्त आप एक आईसीयू में भी नहीं रह सकते कि कॉन्टिन्यूशन में आपको मॉनिटरिंग की जरूरत पड़े, बिकॉज देयर आर एंडलेस चेंजेस जो हमारी बॉडी के अंदर होते रहते हैं. इट कैन बी अ मेंटल, इट कैन बी अ साइकोलॉजिकल, इट कैन बी अ स्पिरिचुअल, इट मे बी अ फिजिकल चेंजेस जो कॉन्टिन्यूसली हमारी बॉडी में होते हैं. एंड इट इज वेरी वेरी डिफिकल्ट फॉर एनी doctor or an individual to understand on the real time manner. But if you know you have your genetic makeup like that, you can basically control everything. And बीमारियां तो बेसिकली अगर क्योंकि माइंड में रख सोचने की भी जरूरत नहीं है, क्योंकि अगर हम सिर्फ बॉडी को प्रॉपर फूड लाइफस्टाइल और ये मॉडिफिकेशन भी अगर हम एज पर डीएनए करते हैं, तो आई डोंट थिंक कि हमें कभी भी कोई ऐसी दिक्कत होगी जिसमें क्या है कि हमें आगे जाके कोई भी परेशानी होगी, कोई भी ऐसा हेल्थ चैलेंज नहीं आएगा. वी हैव टू बेसिकली केयर आवरसेल्फ इन ए मोर natural and authentic way, and that is something which we are giving. मैं तो ये कहूंगा कि this analysis is basically a health का GPS, जिसमें क्या है कि जैसे अगर आप गूगल मैप यूज करते हैं ट्रैवल करने के लिए, you need not to basically ask anybody, and you can basically drive from point A to point B. Similarly, whatever your health goal is, there are endless health goals. You have to just follow this GPS and you can basically reach your destination. That is something which is very easy to understand. So that is something which I would like to say.
Well, Stan sir, you're back again, I think. So do you have anything to add on people asking us very generally, is it going to help in this bimari? Is it going to help in that bimari? What do you have to say?
Well, I think we've been, first of all, I'm sorry, I logged out. I managed to log in with Wi-Fi right now. Sorry for the inconvenience. So what I feel is that we are not really ready for a disruptive technology many times. We are used to the age-old way of stock concepts. कि भाई बीमारी पहले आ जाने तो medicine का ठीक हो जाएगा. That's a symptomatic treatment. It definitely gives a quick relief, instant relief, but it doesn't really solve a problem. To solve a problem, you need to definitely take care of your body from a very fundamental point of view. Giving as to
yes, sir.
The understanding the physiology of the body. I think ये basic awareness हम सभी लोगों को होना जरूरी है. We all have studied this from a exam point of view or academics point of view in our school days. But once we really come into that so-called real life, after our education, we tend to forget what we have learned, and we only rely on our or rather to an extent a little overconfident on what we can do in terms of taking care of our health. And we are over dependent on sometimes the healthcare industry, and we have seen during COVID-19 that healthcare industry was put under severe stress and it could not cope up, and we had a lot of shortage of whether it's beds, oxygen, and so many other things. Now it's not very relevant for us to speak here, but what I'm trying to do is that if our public health is robust and people understand the importance of having proper dietary interventions, doing proper physical exercises. And it's not that only when the doctor says कि भाई अभी आपके पास 6 महीने बचे हैं तो आपको अभी योगा करना पड़ेगा, सब कुछ करना पड़ेगा, तभी मतलब अपनी ग्रैंडमदर भी ओलंपिक्स में भागने के लिए रेडी होती है. बट टिल दैट टाइम अपना एक लेथार्जी, एक ऐसा एक सिनिसिज्म रहता है कि नहीं यार, वी विल मैनेज, जो होगा देखा जाएगा, इज आवर फंडामेंटल राइट स्लोगन बन गया है. And that's where I think we need to have some change in our approach. And that's where we need to really look at a lot of other technologies. So today, artificial intelligence is determining. We probably may not have diagnosis after some time. We probably might have a small chip which actually reads all the vital parameters of a body and tells you as to what's your temperature, what's your pulse rate, what's your sugar level, and everything on your smartphone. So the diagnosis is going to be out of relevance. Today we are having a lot of vehicles running on fossil oil like your diesel and petrol. Probably the oil economy is not going to be there in a few years because electrical cars and vehicles and everything are already there. In Indian cities, there are electrical buses running in the cities. There are electric vehicles, and you look at Tesla and all the tech companies, bringing in technology oriented cars, driverless vehicles with the 0% chances for accident. When all this is happening, do you think this technology is only introduced only in these fields, or it also is implicable for our health sector? So it definitely. So I think Rohit, you made a very valid point. So it's medtech, meditech, or whatever you want to call it. It's the healthcare sector along with technology. So the artificial intelligence, the IoT, the Internet of Things phenomenon. It might sound like French and Spanish to us right now, but I think a lot of things that we are doing right now, अगर इसके बारे में 15 साल के पहले, 20 साल के पहले बोलते तो बोलते नहीं, ये सब होने वाला नहीं है. We wouldn't have believed. And even when you are talking about our children, they are now preparing for a career which we cannot visualize right now, because the jobs that are present now may not be present in the next 10 years. They will be irrelevant. Like, we don't have STD booths anymore, ISDs anymore. We don't have typewriters anymore. Technology evolves, so does healthcare industry. So there are robotic operations and surgeries that can be done from a remote hospital by a expert from anywhere, any part of the world. So there will be a disruption. So if you are a closed mind and then think that, ठीक है, मेरे पास मेडिक्लेम है, मेरे बड़े-बड़े डॉक्टर की पहचान है, well, good luck. But if you are wanting to explore, I think that this is one of the greatest and the best tool where you can assess the threat factors, the risk factors, and take action, the corrective actions right now, than waiting, stitching at the 11th hour and then saying, sorry, I regret. So this is a wonderful tool, technology driven. This is an outcome of the Human Genome Project of the US government from 1990 to 2003. Inspired by that, all these technologies are being talked about. There are less takers right now in general, because people would like to have, the whole world jo follow kar rahe hain, hum bhi wahi karenge, so that we look relevant. Okay. But I think, the extraordinary vision, if you really want to have in terms of running a company or introducing a product range, or, taking care of your own individual health, I think we need to adopt to certain things. Just as an example, there is a gene that's present in Indian population. And if that mutation is there, the chances of 1 out of 8 Indian having a cardiac condition is very, very prevalent. You just Google and then search. And that's why we have young people, yes, I think a week back, there was a 29-year-old cricketer who collapsed and then had a cardiac arrest. 29 years. He's a cricketer. He's fit. We had one month back or so, we had a Bollywood actor at the age of 40 having a cardiac arrest. He's one of the, fitness icon of the country. Now, how does it explain? A lot of people feel, I spoke to a few people saying, what happened to him? Saying cardiac arrest. So it's okay. It's accepted as a very basic reason of death, and people don't really inquire as to why did he really get kind of cardiac arrest. What was the wrong problem with his diet or his medicine or his lifestyle? Nobody really cares to us, because today cardiac arrest means a sophisticated way of dying and losing our health, and people are comfortable with it. So लोग पूछते हैं कि वो ठीक है, वो तो normal है, क्या कर सकते हैं? But we need to now question, and I think genetic testing can actually give us a lot of clues, a lot of hints, a lot of advice as to what can be done. So I think this is something that we need to really look at seriously.
Well, friends, I'd like to add that this is something so simple, so convenient, readily available to you in a platter, I will say. And the company, the technology, the scientists, the heart behind all this is just giving you everything that you need today for, yes, there is a question, prevent future problems in health. Because today, if you are aware, you know what action you need to take to stay healthy, to stay safe, and you're being just handheld, guided into आपको ये ABC problem है, उसके लिए आप इसमें FGH करेंगे, and उसका result XYZ is your future. अगर हम I call it very simply as my favorite thing to call it is, a lot of people know me as genome patri expert. Why? Because if you believe in astrology, then with the time of birth, date of birth, and the location of any child, if you can give an entire trajectory of their life, their abundance, their difficulties in life, their peak times, their success in career, their marriage, if all this can be told, then today we have the technology which tells us about from today. Forget yesterday, okay? Yesterday was our parents gave us their genes from 7 generations of father and 7 generations of mother. Today, whoever or whatever we are, is from today we begin and take a look at the future of my health till I die. If I want to stay healthy like I am today, prevent myself from aging, have my energy levels, I'd love to share astrologer late Ganesha Bejandaruwala. He did this genetic test. You know, what was it that he told me? He was 87 and Corona took him down after 6 months. But only thing he wanted from the test was, उषा मुझे एनर्जी मिलेगा क्या, मुझे है ना ताकत चाहिए, आजकल मुझे ऐसा लगता है मेरे से ज्यादा कुछ मैं कर नहीं पाता. And you won't believe the last when we saw him, he was on a wheelchair, he was grossly obese, he loved to eat food, he has so many health challenges, in a catheter, and even at that stage in life, he said, all I want in life is this test will help me get energy, and he was convinced about it. At that age, it was so difficult. This, I think, even Stancer doesn't know. For me to collect 2 cc of saliva, it was so difficult because after 1 cc, he was so tired. He said, forget, I can't do the test. I can't give you 2 cc of saliva. I don't have that energy to take out more saliva. And he actually took rest in between. I was very fortunate. The saliva sample did not dry or get spoiled. After some time, we coaxed him into getting up again and giving that second cc. So even at that age, we all have love for life. So if you really love your family, if you really love your life, I will recommend this today. Because if I again share my own story, my mother had diabetes at 23. I got detected at 23, though I started medicines much later in life. Of course, forced by an allopath because of the belief system, and I'm from mainstream healthcare. I couldn't refuse my senior most consultant at the hospital. And today my daughter is 21, soon heading to 23, and my biggest gift to her is because this technology makes it possible कि आपका genetically present है, उसका ये मतलब नहीं है कि खानदानी बीमारी खानदानों में continue हो. It is not necessary. This technology will help you change that trend. Today, I did it for her when she turned 18 as her best birthday gift I could give her, because tomorrow I don't want her to get this high risk genetic bimari. It is possible to change it. अगर हम ये सोचते हैं डैडी मम्मी को हार्ट प्रॉब्लम था, मुझे भी होना चाहिए, नहीं, आज ये पॉसिबल है कि आपको नहीं हो. So take advantage of that. Yes, if you say, will it help in improving my height or my strength? Strength, I can vouch by it 100%. Okay, strength में आपका definition क्या है पता नहीं, but I just gave you the example of energy. Strength, अगर आप ताकत बोलते हो, तो yes, like we said earlier, it helps you build your own system and maintain the health that God sent you as a most healthy child when you were born. So it will give you your internal strength to stay strong, whatever your age. And yes, it helps you prevent future problems, not just by making aware, but showing you a path. This is how you will stay healthy, and this is what you need to do. You begin doing it now, you follow it for a week, and I have seen miraculous results. My husband's sugars from 500 post lunch in 1 week on this genetic nutrition diet came down to 100. That is normal sugar levels. It is possible. Yes, medicine support is there, but with medicine support also, me being in healthcare, mainstream healthcare for over 20 years, I have not seen that a glucose of 500 in the blood and an average of 300 for the last 4 months coming down as drastically without any side effects, just by taking care of the right food and removing the triggers which were stimulating your genes to increase that sugar to such an extent. A very, very healthy, a very, very active person, yes, very high stress levels, certain habits needed to be modified, but this is the life-changing results that is possible. So if you say height बढ़ेगा, height अगर मम्मी डैडी dwarf हैं, छोटे हैं, okay, if they are small, you can't expect कि my child will become 6 feet. there is genetic factor. You cannot change those genes. But yes, he will go to the best height possible. He may not stay as a 3 feet or a 4 feet. That is very likely, very possible. Rohit, anything to add?
Yeah, absolutely. You have shared everything, and that is something which is the need of the time to understand what we get out of that genetic analysis, because the insight which we get is something which is non comparable with anything, because whatever you are, you know, or you discover yourself, that is something which is very, very important, because these days people don't know about anything about their body, how they work, and they keep on, but basically they don't want to have the control of their body. But once they have this insight, they can control whatever they want to do, and that is something which can get rid of all the lifestyle diseases also, if they can uh, follow the instruction in this, and whatever we have in personalized solution. So if they follow, then definitely the action plan is so well curated. Anybody can basically back to their nature, and जिसको हम प्रकृति कहते हैं, and everything will be basically start from the scratch if they follow the instruction in their genetic report.
Well, friends, we also say that our body is 70% diet and 30% fitness. So, Stan sir, would you like to add on the fitness aspect that we cover? Because there is this question of, will I get strength? Will it enhance my strength?
Well, I know, just to rephrase it, it's about fitness is not about exercise alone. It's about diet. 70% of your fitness comes from diet. So the three major constituents of our food habits are proteins, carbohydrates, and fats. Now, Indian diet predominantly be carbohydrate driven, so we get a lot of calories. We may not be genetically very athletic and very fitness conscious. Indian people are very skillful, so mental fitness is very strong. But physically, I think we are all very plumpy, out of shape. In rural India, we have a malnutrition issue. In urban India, we have more nutrition issues, so that we have obesity. So 70% of our urban population is the BMI has an issue. So that's why people are having lifestyle diseases like diabetes, they have cardiac issues, etc. So there is a misunderstanding about the correlation between fitness and diet. A lot of people go to the gym, hit the cardio exercise, all kind of exercise equipments, and then weight, thinking that they will build muscles. And there are enough people who have injured their muscles, had some fractures or kind of a strain, because they did it unscientifically. Now there are people in genetics, in Velocity Genetics, who have come and then explained to us, saying that, look, I want to put on weight. And after a genetic testing is done, we have realized that they do not really have the genetic structure to put on weight. So they can be actually healthy, they can be fit, but they cannot really put muscular body, because they don't really have those kind of genetic makeup. And I'm one of them. I did a little misadventure by wanting to put on muscles, and then मैंने जब भी जिम में जाके unscientific तरीके से not guided by the so-called gym instructors, are not experts. They are only having a good fit body themselves, so they think that they're capable of guiding everybody. They have very little information about the genetic perspective of their clients. So yes, sabhi वजह से there is a feeling. See, in India, if your child is very obese, people say healthy child. मतलब ऐसे दिखाते भी है where a child healthy है. It's not healthy. The child it's a juvenile obesity. You already have overweight. So we need to understand the concept of BMI. That's one indicator. That's not the only thing. So fitness ke liye, you need to eat healthy as per your body's requirements, so that we don't accumulate fat and calories, and then we become obese. Obesity is the parking lot for a lot of other diseases. So we might get into a very complex situation. And from a genetic perspective, obesity cannot be measured only with one test or one gene. It's a polygenic condition. So that means there are multiple factors that influence obesity. It could be wrong medication, it could be wrong food habits, or it could be addictions, it could be stress levels. Both are the reasons there. So we need to understand that. Same also goes with diabetes. So our counselors and our experts will give you, solutions based on your genetic makeup, your current lifestyle, and tell you the corrections. This is priceless. Ek correction kar denge, I think we can save thousands and lakhs of rupees. Now, Dr. Darrell in the last webinar said, compare this cost to your medical bills if you are in ICU for 2 or 3 days. I think being in ICU for 2 or 3 days is deadly and terrific. Terrifying compared to we doing wellness practices. And today, the whole world is realizing that we need to be really taking care of ourselves, going back to the nature and adopting the naturopathy or natural ways of living. So we try to do that by explaining this is how your body is, and then see what best we can.
Rohit, what would be your personal life-changing experiences if you want to share with us?
Yeah, so before, like I'm a Punjabi, so I used to eat lots of rotis and parantha because it is in my habit. I used to take as much as chapati in a whole day, and that is why my body weight is more than 90 kg. And my mother passed away in 2013, and that is something the time which I realized that the health is something which I'm gaining the age also. So I was 38 at that time, and I have basically looking for these types of analysis, and I was looking desperately for the genetic or nutrigenomics test, and I found velocity. So that is something which always bothered me to know my body more scientific and authentic way. And one fine day when I got the report done, and I know the MUFA actually, so that is something which really helped me to reduce my weight also. So I reduce my chapatis because I'm a little bit gluten intolerant and lacto intolerant too. And after taking that understanding and insight, I follow that. And normally, I also used to go to the gym also, taking the high workout, high intensity workout also. So that I also stopped and not doing Zumba and that type of exercise, that is not meant for me. So there are so many things which I did in my lifestyle as well as my eating pattern, and now I am very feeling healthy, and there is no energy low, or I'm not basically feeling at all lazy person. Otherwise, you can imagine a person who is basically having a 88 of weight of I'm a 5'6" of height, and already if you can see my previous picture, so you can see there is a lot of different. I'm not doing much now, just following whatever is written in my report, and lifestyle which I'm following helping me a lot. So that is something which really helped me. So I reduced my wheat, I changed my fat also, and the lifestyle and whatever the exercise which I was basically influenced because I'm motivated by the muscular people. So now I'm feeling much better and understanding my body uh, than previously when I don't have that analysis.
Rohit, when you say that you have not been eating and this and that, it's more like you revealing your action plan to people. तो कई बार लोग क्या करते हैं, जैसे कि अगर डॉक्टर के पास मैं गया हूँ, मुझे कुछ बीमारी थी और मुझे वो काम कर दिया, and then Rohit comes and then speaks to me and he explains similar disease, तो मैं बोलता हूँ यार ये दवा ले लो, डॉक्टर ने मुझे लिख के दे दिया था, तो आप भी ले लो. तो रोहित मतलब सेल्फ प्रिस्क्रिप्शन हो जाता है एक तरीके से. तो हमारे यहाँ पे कई सारे लोग जब भी जूम में आते हैं तो बोलते हैं हाँ रोटी कम करने से वजन घट जाता है, तो दे स्टॉप रोटी. Don't do that because their body, his body and your body is completely different. Don't deny rotis to your body if you're not gluten intolerant.
Absolutely.
टेस्टिंग एंड फाइंड आउट. नहीं तो लोग क्या करते हैं भाई, हाँ सलमान खान की ऐसी बॉडी है तो मैं भी कर लूंगा. अभी सलमान खान की बॉडी अलग है, उनकी बॉडी है, आपकी बॉडी आपकी बॉडी है. So you need to really understand and do exercise and eat dietary intakes based on your body. So let's today it's customization, personalization, not general. सभी नहीं होता है, वो वैक्सीनेशन में होता है क्योंकि अभी अलग अलग वैक्सीनेशन की है, सबको एक ही लगाते हैं, but our genetic structure is different. So that's why we got to be careful. So I feel that, and I think we'll have these kind of discussions, discussions so that we can come up with some interesting points, insights, and we actually the number of people in Zooms have reduced, but the number of samples coming to the labs have increased. So I feel more people are on the field today, and our counselors are very busy, doing a lot of counseling, doing action plans, and a lot of appreciations are coming. A lot of reports have gone last week. Another 3-4 batches are meeting in the next 15 days. Every 3-4 days, we will have a batch coming. So number of samples have gone up and suddenly become busy. So that's a cycle. So thanks everyone for supporting us, and we look forward to see you done. I mean, do these kind of tests. Yashpal ji, आपका report मिला, आपका counseling भी हो जाएगा. So thank you very much, and we look forward to see you once again. I think we are just about to close. So final remarks from Dr. Usha, and then we close.
Well, Yashpal ji has been wanting to say something for quite some time. Yashpal ji, quickly, because we look at closing. Tell me.
Hello, Namaskar, and thanks. I got my genetic report. मैं जो बताने जा रहा हूँ वो बड़ा एक चैलेंजेबल मेरे सामने बात आई है कि मैं 3 महीने से मेरा पेट खराब चल रहा था, तो उसी की वजह से मैंने अपना जेनेटिक टेस्ट किया. कुछ डिले रहा उसके रिपोर्टिंग आने में, कोई बात नहीं, पर इन बिटवीन मैं पैरेलल कंसल्टिंग कर रहा था रोहतक में. वन ऑफ द बेस्ट पीजीआई में गैस्ट्रोलॉजिस्ट से मैंने ट्रीटमेंट लिया, उससे भी आराम नहीं आया. तो मैं जो बात बताने जा रहा हूँ आप उसको ध्यान से सुनिएगा. फिर हमारे यहाँ एक नाड़ी वैद्य हैं. जब मैंने नाड़ी वैद्य को दिखाया खाली पेट, तो वो 3 मिनट तक मेरी नब्ज को देखते रहे. उसके बाद उन्होंने मेरे को लिख के दिया कि आपके बॉडी में बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल बढ़ने लगा है और पेट में मरोड़ा है, ये आपका 1 महीना दवाई लोगे ठीक हो जाएगा. और आई फेल्ट सरप्राइज कि जब मेरे पास अभी रिपोर्ट आई है और जब मैंने उसको पढ़ना शुरू किया, सेम थिंग आई गोट माई रिपोर्ट के बैड कोलेस्ट्रॉल स्टार्ट है अंदर इसके अंदर. तो ये मैं 12 साल से न्यूट्रास्यूटिकल में काम कर रहा हूँ. लोगों को बताता हूँ कि भाई आप ये लीजिए ये लीजिए. इस रिपोर्ट को देखने के बाद सब कुछ फेल हो गया है. मेरे को खुद नहीं पता मेरे को विटामिन के की कमी है और मैं औरों को बताया जा रहा हूँ. तो मेरा कहना ये है सभी आईबीओ से पहले अपनी टेस्ट रिपोर्ट कर लो, उसके बाद वेलोसिटी में काम करना. ये रिपोर्ट वाकई मतलब मेरे को हिलाने वाली है. मेरे को 2 दिन से नींद नहीं आ रही है. कल मेरी काउंसलिंग है, उसके बाद मेरा लाइफ टाइम के हिसाब से मेरा कंप्लीट चार्ट बनेगा. थैंक्स वेलोसिटी व्हाट आई मीन टू, एंड थैंक्स टेन सर कि आपने इतना अच्छा प्रोग्राम स्टार्ट किया है कि आपने तीनों आइटम दे दिए हैं. 70% वाटर चाहिए तो आपके अपने पास आयनाइज अल्कलाइन वाटर है. 30% क्या खाना है. मेरे टेस्ट के अंदर ये भी निकल के आया है कि आपको पेस्टिसाइड्स गया हुआ है बॉडी में ड्यू टू वेजिटेबल्स, उसको काफी वॉश करके खाना है. मैं हैरान हूं कि मैं इतना केयरफुली सब वेजिटेबल्स और फ्रूट को लेके आता हूँ मार्केट से, अपने घर में किचन गार्डन बनाया हुआ है. आफ्टर दैट आई गोट द रिपोर्ट ऑफ पेस्टिसाइड आई हैव इन माय बॉडी. सो आई वांट टू आस्क टू एवरीबॉडी, आई एम इन द एज ऑफ 70 एंड आई वांट टू लिव हेल्दी लाइफस्टाइल, सो आई मेड दिस टेस्ट. तो भैया जीवन के अंदर 30% न्यूट्रिशन लेने का है. अब वो कौन सा लेने का है, कहाँ से लेने का है जिसमें पेस्टिसाइड नहीं हो. शाह साहब बैठे हैं, स्टेन सर बैठे हैं, डॉक्टर बैठी हैं. तो बी केयरफुल फॉर एवरी मोमेंट एवरी डाइट. थैंक्स.
Thank you, Yashpal ji. Thank you so much for that personal experience. Well, friends, सबसे ज़्यादा ज़रूरी, I think I will ask Rohit a small question. Let's give it a very small answer. आपने कहा कि आपका hereditary था, I mean घर में था कि रोटियां खाते हैं, बहुत कुछ खाते हैं. जब हम किसी को कहते हैं कि आप अगर रोटी खाते हो, because I have that testimonial with me, okay, a friend, a colleague, a subordinate जो हर रोज रात को, of course company is one, he used to be alcohol addicted, okay, a Maharashtrian who will only eat chapatis in the house, and उसके बाद में you tell them you are gluten intolerant, आप चपाती बंद करो. तो फर्स्ट थिंग आता है 2 चीजें. एक, इम्पॉसिबल, मैं तो रोटी बंद कर ही नहीं सकता, मेरे घर पे कोई नहीं मानेगा. एंड सेकेंड इज तो मैं क्या खाऊं. ठीक है. सो हाउ चैलेंजिंग वाज दिस. व्हाई आई एम कमिंग टू इट इज, अगर आप ये कुछ दिनों के लिए भी बंद करते हैं, आई वॉज एबल टू स्टॉप इट फॉर हिम फॉर 3 days. Only 3 days he did not have his गेहूं का चपाती. And friends, In a week's time, he himself realized his body did not need alcohol, because when he took a very small, less than a 30 ml on an occasion, he was knocked out for the whole day, and he stopped alcohol. It's over 3 years now. And at that age of 30, is if I was able to change his life without even knowing what I was doing, because this technology helped, I still say, Rohit, what was the biggest challenge for you to stop the rotis?
So basically, the challenge is basically to after doing this analysis, there is no challenge actually, because give me the insight. So challenge उनके साथ आएगा जिन्होंने टेस्ट नहीं किया, सिंपल सी बात है, राइट? सो उसमें क्या है कि मुझे भी नहीं पता था, I might not adapt that also, but when I got to know, then I definitely decided कि मुझे ऐसा नहीं अपनी लाइफ को चलाना, क्योंकि मैं बॉर्डर लाइन पे डायबिटिक हो चुका था और मेरी दोनों किडनी इन्फेक्टेड हो चुकी थी 2016 में। एंड मुझे ऐसा लग रहा था कि भाई अभी दैट इज द हाई टाइम, एंड यू नो इंडियंस आर ऑलवेज वर्क इन इमरजेंसी, नॉट इन अर्जेंसी। सो वो एक बहुत बड़ा हिट था लाइफ में, and I changed because I have a IT background for more than 20 years of corporate experience, but I jump into now a biotech field altogether, is a different field. The reason is that I want to live healthy longer period, and I want to get rid of all the lifestyle changes. So जो challenges था रोटी के लिए, तो हमारे पास जब भी हम काउंसलिंग करते हैं तो उसमें हम सबसे पहले ऑल्टरनेटिव बताते हैं, और ऑल्टरनेटिव से क्या है, धीरे धीरे जो माइंड है वो धीरे धीरे शिफ्ट हो जाता है। एंड देयर आर सो मेनी वेज, जो कि आप वीट के अलावा आप और बहुत सारी चीजें हैं हमारे इंडिया में जो हम खा सकते हैं और आपको पता भी नहीं चलता। एंड ग्रेजुअली आपको हैबिट हो जाती है, बिकॉज इतने पुरानी चीजों को ग्रेजुअली आप एक एक करके कम करेंगे तो अपने आप ही हो जाता है। सो दैट इज नॉट समथिंग, क्योंकि आपको जब पता है कि इसकी इम्प्लीकेशन कितनी ज्यादा है तो आप सीरियसली इसको अडेप्ट करते हैं। एंड मुझे लगता है कि आज लोगों के पास सुनने के कान हैं, and they have the ear to listen, and health is something everyone put on number one priority. So I think now there is no much challenges in our mind कि हमें लगता है कि लोगों को समझ नहीं आएगा। एंड आई डोंट फाइंड people now are self convinced, they just want a scientific and authentic way, and they want a logical answer. वो कोई मतलब ऐसी कोई बात नहीं मानना चाहते। and when there are report, जैसे अभी यशपाल जी ने बताया, when he has the information of their DNA, it is not my DNA, is there his DNA, so he has to follow that, है ना? अगर ये नहीं फॉलो करते, इट इज देयर फॉल्ट, राइट? सो हिज फॉल्ट। तो सिमिलरली जिनको टेस्ट नहीं कराया उनको चैलेंज जरूर हो सकता है, बट जिनको एक बार करा लिया उनके लिए तो पत्थर की खींची लकीर है। सो देयर इज नो प्रॉब्लम एट ऑल, एंड वी हैव टू बेसिकली डू दिस वंस। एंड लाइफ टाइम की छुट्टी, इट इज अ लाइफ टाइम जेनेटिक प्रोग्राम, एंड आई हाईली रिकमेंड एवरीवन हैज टू हैव their lifetime genetic program and live a healthy and enjoyable life.
फ्रेंड्स, टेक्नोलॉजी है, चॉइस है आपका, आपको अपनाना है, अपनाओ। रिपोर्ट आने के, एक्शन प्लान मिलने के बाद भी आपका चॉइस है, आप इसी तरीके से बीमारियों की तरफ बढ़ते जाओ या फिर अपने आप को जान के अपनी जिंदगी में सुधार लाओ। आप हेल्दी, आपका परिवार हेल्दी, तो सभी कुछ हेल्दी, एंड अबंडेंस इज वेटिंग टू हैपन टू ऑल ऑफ अस। थैंक यू सो मच रोहित, थैंक यू सो मच स्टैन सर। इट हैज बीन अ वंडरफुल इवनिंग। हमारा ये सिलसिला हर हफ्ते जब तक हो सके कंटिन्यू होगा। देयर आर लॉट ऑफ सेमिनार्स, वेबिनार्स हैपनिंग, बट फ्रेंड्स जस्ट स्टे कनेक्टेड, यही रहिए। एंड यहाँ से अगर आपने 2% भी कुछ सीखा है, वी आर ऑलवेज अवेलेबल टू हेल्प यू, एंड द कंपनी इज हियर टू स्टे। बहुत सारी कंपनियों ने कोशिश की, इमिटेट की, but I will again say this is the company which has stayed, established itself, helped more than 11,000 people across 21 countries in the last 4 years, and it cannot leave you in the lurch today. It is there to stay. We are here because we believe in the technology. We have had life-changing results, and I invite each one of you, create that change what you would like to see around you. Give people health, because आज health है तो wealth है। And yes, if you think that fitness, staying healthy is expensive, then I conclude by saying definitely do try sickness. Thank you so much. Have a lovely evening. Have good food, have hot food, definitely have food. Please cut down on your cameras, mobiles, TVs. आज हमारी आदत है sedentary lifestyle की. And sleep well, sleep early, get up early, do some nice meditation, stay healthy. Rest of it comes in your report. Thank you so much, friends. Good night and bye-bye.
Good night. Good night, everyone.